Hey everybody, what's up? It is Miss O'Neill here, and today is a good day to have a good day. I hope you liked yesterday's math review. I thought it would be fun to make like a cute little PowerPoint with all of the songs that we used to sing and dance to together when we talked about fractions and shapes and angles, all before our time in the classroom was kind of over. So what I want to do now is go over Unit 5 with you. I don't need you to do anything now. You're not turning anything else in for math. Your math check number 3 was totally it. So all you're doing is you're just following along with me, making sure you understand what we learned in Unit 5. So the first thing that we do up here, it says vocabulary. Complete the sentence. You can blank 110 as 10 ones to show a number another way. So can I subtract 110 as 10 ones? No. Can I difference 110 as 10 ones? No, but I can regroup. That's going to be my answer for up here. When you blank, you take one number away from another to find a difference. So when I difference, I can take one number. That's not going to make sense to find a difference. So my answer here is going to be subtract. Difference is my last word left, so it's definitely the answer for this, but I still want to make sure that the sentence makes sense. The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Cool beans? Yeah, that works for me. I'm just going to write diff and then put a period. I'm going to abbreviate it so we're all good there. All those words are, oh my gosh, taken care of. All right, over here it says concept and skills. Let me zoom in a little bit for you here. Awesome. Is that J-Care? Yeah, that's J-Care. Oh, everything is covered in J-Care. All right, it says complete the subtraction sentences. 7 tens take away, or minus 5 tens equals blank tens. 7 tens, it looks like I have 7 tens up here, take away 5 tens. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm left with 2 tens. I could also do mental math really quickly in my head and figure out that 5 away from 7 is 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 7 tens is equal to what number? 7 tens, let's count up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 minus 5 tens is 50. 70 minus 50 equals 20. And I do the same thing over here. 6 tens minus 3 tens, that's a doubles fact. I know that 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 tens is equal to 60. 3 tens is equal to 30. Hi, Jake. Hi. Hold on, let me see if I can... Ooh. Yep, there we go. Oh, no. This is how Jake interrupts me while I'm trying to teach you. Hello, Jake. Is there anything you'd like to say to the class? Anything you would like to say to them? No? Can you give me a sit? Good boy. Oh my goodness, what a silly dog. All right, let's get us set back up. Awesome. 60 minus 30 equals 30. All right. Decide if you need to regroup, circle yes or no, and then write the difference. 48 minus 6. All I'm doing right now is I'm taking a look at the ones. 8 minus 6. Can I take away 6 from 8? Yes, I can. So do I have to regroup here? No. And then all I have to do is talk about the difference here. So what I'm going to do is set it up a little differently over here. This is vertical, so I'm going to write it horizontal. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 4 minus 0 equals 4. So my difference here would be 42. Just imagine I wrote it on that line. All right, and then over here I have 32 minus 4. I'm taking a look at the ones. Can I take away 4 from 2? No, I can't do that. So yes, I'm going to have to regroup. 32 minus 4. Let's regroup here. So this is going to be 2 and this is going to be 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8. And 2 minus 0 equals 2. So my answer there would be 28. Awesome. These next three, all we have to do is subtract. Let's zoom back in again. Awesome. 1 minus 0 equals 1. I don't have to regroup, so 6 minus 2 equals 4, 41. 35 minus 14, 3 minus 4, I can't do, so I have to regroup. This is now going to be 4, and this is now going to be 13. 13 minus 4 equals 9, and 4 minus 1 equals 3. 5 minus 8 over here for 75 minus 28. I'm going to have to regroup. Let's do 6, and then 15. 15 minus 8 equals 7. And 6 minus 2 equals 4. Awesome, wonderful. Let's go to the other side now. We're going to be doing some, oops, let's see if I can finagle you. Oh, I'll just zoom out a little. Whoops. Awesome, I think we're good. Nice. Yes, maybe? Cool. All right, check by adding is what we're going to do now. So 0 minus 5, can't do that. So I'm going to have to regroup here. 5 and 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So now I have to check 35 plus 25 to see if it equals 60 up at the top, okay? 5 plus 5 equals 10. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. So over here, 60 and 60, that makes sense. So we are ready to move on. This one is correct. 34 minus 16. I'm definitely going to have to regroup here. So that's 14, and this is 2. Hold on a second. There we go. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So now I have to do 18 plus 16 to see if I get my 34. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Does 34 equal 34? Yes, it does. So that one is all set. Let's move on to problem solving over here. We're going to use this table to solve the next two questions. How many more green marbles? Oh, first let's talk about this chart a little bit. This column says marble color, so we have red marbles, yellow, green, and purple marbles. And then over here it says number in the box. So there are 12 red marbles in the box, 47 yellow marbles, 53 green marbles, and 29 purple marbles. So right off the bat, I can see that the least amount is green, the most amount is green, and the least amount is red. All right, how many more green marbles than yellow marbles are in the box? How many more green marbles than yellow marbles are in the box? So like I said, green is the bigger number here, so I'm going to put 53 over 47, and now I have to decide, am I going to add or subtract here? How many more than is setting off a bunch of alarms in my head that is telling me subtraction. How many more green marbles than yellow marbles are in the box? So let's go ahead and do the subtraction over here. I need to regroup right off the bat. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. So there are 6 more green marbles in this box than yellow marbles. How many more purple marbles than red marbles are in the box? So same words here. How many more than? So I know this is going to be subtraction for sure. But we're not doing green and yellow this time. We're doing purple and red. So there are 29 purple marbles and there are 12 red marbles. Let's go ahead and subtract here. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 2 minus 1 equals 1. There are 17 more purple marbles in that box. Over here we need to either add or subtract to solve and then complete the boxes over here. There are 72 birds. 38 of the birds are robins. The rest of the birds are bluebirds. How many bluebirds are there? So we know 72 and 38, and we're missing 1. 72 is the number for birds in all, so that's going to be my whole. And then I have 2 parts that I need to fill in. One part is going to be the robins, and I know that there are 38 of that kind of bird. So now I need to figure out how many bluebirds are here. Not 0. I should just cross that out. I don't want to be confusing. So we need to figure out, that should have just been a question mark. How many bluebirds are there? So we are going to have to subtract, because we already know the whole. If we needed to figure out the whole, that would have been adding, but since we know the whole, we subtract. 72 and 38. Am I going to have to regroup here? Oh yeah. 6 and 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. And 6 minus 3 equals 3. So there are 34 bluebirds, 38 robins, and 72 birds in all. And that is it for math review number 2. I hope you're excited for math review number 3 tomorrow. It's going to be all about money and time. And then that's also going to be our last math lesson. All right, I love you lots. Miss you a bunch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.